You don't even notice it, but it's not you scrolling your phone. Your phone is scrolling you. Every second glued to that screen, your goals die, your focus fades, your brain rewires into a zombie loop. And the worst part? You think it's normal. It's not. This is digital warfare. Let me tell you a story. Big dreams, unstoppable energy, zero control. Every time I felt empty, I scrolled. When I failed, I opened Instagram. Months passed, no progress. Just dopamine hits, fake validation. That guy? That was me. You're not addicted to your phone. You're addicted to escaping your life. That screen comforts you while your life burns. Step 1. Own your mornings. The first hour of your day decides your mind's direction. No phone, no scrolling, no notifications. Instead, journal, move, drink water, sit in silence. Start your day with you, not someone else's chaos. Step 2. Silence the distractions. Every ping is a punch to your focus. Notifications aren't urgent. They're traps. Turn them off. No one dies if you ignore a story for 2 seconds. Step 3. Delete your triggers. TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, gone. Start with 7 days. Ask yourself, do I control this app or does it control me? Step 4. Grayscale Mode. Colors spike dopamine. Gray flattens the urge. One day and you'll see the craving vanishes. Step 5. Distance. Out of sight, out of impulse. Keep your phone in another room or drawer. Don't make it easy for your brain to cheat. Step 6. Replace the reward. Every time you feel the urge to scroll, do something productive. Read 1 page. Do 10 push-ups. Write 1 thought in your journal. Train your brain to crave effort over escape. Think it's just 5 minutes? Wrong. 5 fewer minutes of your dream body, your side hustle, your purpose. By the time you realize it, your potential is buried under reels and red hearts. You weren't born to consume content. You were born to create, build, dominate. Your phone isn't evil, but your relationship with it might be. 2 choices. Stay addicted, anxious, and distracted, or break free today. This is your digital resurrection. Not a morning wake-up, a wake-up from the coma you've been living in. Focus. Rewire. Take back control. Today.